Hello guys, in today's video, I want to share a simple and very profitable strategy which will give us buy and sell signals. Also, we're using RSI but in a different way to increase accuracy. You guys understand this strategy with a little effort, and you will be shocked that it has accuracy of 94%. By mastering this strategy, you will have no losses anymore. I will go through everything step by step and try to teach you each and every detail. So be sure to watch the whole video. Welcome to MK Forex Edge. First of all, open the Tradingview and then select any currency pair. I have selected GBP/USD. Heading towards our first indicator. In indicator, search chandelier exit and apply it to chart. Go to candle and select Heiken Ashi. Now I'll set my time to a 15-minute time frame for the strategy. But keep in mind that you can use this method on all time frames, and this strategy can be profitable on all of them. Now go to setting of chandelier exit and hide some options. Here you can see chandelier exit giving us buy and sell signals. Remember, we will further increase its accuracy. Here I will show you some trades. If we talk about win rate of chandelier exit, and win rate of this indicator is 80%. Here we are getting so much big profits. So watch full video to have profit like that. But we are also getting fake signals. If I show you, now to filter these fake signals, we have add to another indicator. Again, go to Indicators tab and search RSI. Apply it to your chart. We have to apply it 2 times on our chart. Once it's done, go to settings of first RSI. In inputs, change RSI length to 100. And in style, uncheck RSI based MA. Choose RSI line color to yellow. And line should be thick for clear visibility. Now our first RSI settings is completed. Again, go to second RSI settings. This time in inputs, change RSI length to 25. And in style, choose RSI color to blue and select its thickness. And in last, close RSI based MA. Now we have to merge these two RSI to filter out fake trades. In first RSI, click on 3 dots and move it to existing pane below. Now both RSI are in same frame. To merge them, click on 3 dots of RSI with length 25. And in pin to scale, pin it to scale Z. You should not miss any step to make it work perfectly. Now our setup is ready and it is super effective. To take trades, we have C to chandelier exit. When chandelier exit, generate a buy signal. And blue RSI line crosses yellow RSI line. From below to above, we will enter into the buy trade. I will tell about stop loss and take profit further in video. So be sure to watch video till end. And for sell trade, chandelier exit should give us sell signal. And blue RSI line crosses yellow RSI line. From above to below, then we can take a sell trade. Now we will look on trades and also stop loss and take profit. Here we got a buy signal. And blue line crosses yellow line from below to above. We can enter here and make big profit. Remember, you should not enter immediately after buy or sell signal is generated. Here we got another sell trade, and it met all requirement. So we enter a sell trade here. If we talk risk to reward ratio or stop loss, in this strategy our risk to reward is 1 is to 1.5. But if you want to increase your profit further, you will need a 0 spread, and it is very necessary. Because most times you stop loss hits because of too much spread. So join Exness and Zero Spread. I have provided link in description for your ease and on signing up. From link you will get 50% deposit bonus. Join our Telegram for automated Forex robot. For buy-sell indicator and intraday trading strategy like this. Be sure to subscribe our channel.